Today I'm creating a soft smoky eye using the Makeup by Mario palette. Now, I'm first going in with the Flawless Glow. This is the primer by McoBeauty. You can use this on its own or you can follow it with the foundation. I'm actually going to follow it with the McoBeauty foundation and it's called the Hydra Glow. It's an oil-free foundation. It's really nice. It's quite buildable. This one's called NaturalTan. Now the first shade I'm going in with is the white or the beige, and I'm just prepping my eyelids with that and setting the foundation. The shade that I'm starting with is the lightest tan shade, and I'm using this to really enhance and carve out the crease of my eye. Bringing that back and forth, going for a slightly deeper shade and just popping that just inside the crease there and really creating a bit more shape to this soft smoky eye. The darker shade that I'm using is more of a rust colour, and I'm placing this really close to my lash line and just blending it out, leaving a space between this and my socket line and putting more of a brown chocolatey shade in between. Now you'll notice that it does need some blending, so once these two shades are on, I'll go back to my blending brush, make sure it's a nice fluffy brush, and I will blend that out. So here we go, we're just going to blend and soften those edges. So we really would like a nice diffused look to this soft smoky eye. I'm wearing the perfect colour top for this. This really helps to bring out the blue eyes. I'm going back in with that medium shade just in the crease, and then the lighter shade again. So I do double up with the colours. That nice rusty colour, just placing that under my lash line to create a bit of balance there and open up the eyes, and a slight lighter shade just underneath. Going in with my trusty chocolate eyeliner. This is the Chestnut by Youngblood. I love this, and I'm putting it really close to my lash line, really to give myself some definition. And I'm using my finger there just to sort of pull it out a little bit and create that soft baby wing. Now I'm running that also underneath my lash line as well. Just create some definition. Inside my waterline, I'm popping the Duo. This is the matte, and it's a real creamy colour. Once again, a quick blend over those eyeshadows. Sweeping my lashes with some of the mineral mascara. This is the Youngblood mascara. It's called Blackout. Nice and easy. Just make sure you coat each lash. And I also make sure I do a little touch on the bottom lashes as well. Combing through my brows with a clean spoolie, and then I'm using the On Point Brow Defining Pencil and just rubbing that into my brow. Looks like I'm ruffling them up, but then I'll go back in and sweep through with the spoolie brush again. And I'll do the same on the other side. The colour that I'm using is blonde, so it's quite a dark blonde, but it's perfect for the look that I'm creating. Sweeping it through again. Using the McoBeauty contour wand, I'm just adding some shape to my face. This is perfect, just carves out my cheekbones and a bit of my jawline there and gives me a little bit of warmth also. I'm using the McoBeauty Peach Glow. I'm using this both as a little bit of a cream blush and highlighter. The Kevin Aucoin Concealer, just putting in some little high points there just to elevate these areas, and then going in with a very small detailed brush in order to smooth those out. This is more of a day makeup, probably more than I would wear in the day, but it is a very soft smoky eye. This is the Blushing Nude, so just a nice nude lipstick. Now I'm using a very small brush to set my makeup so it can be quite detailed, and I'll go in with a larger brush just to do just under my jawline there and along my cheekbones. This is the Chocolate Bronzer by Poni Cosmetics, and really just setting that nice creamy bronzer that we used. This is a loose mineral blush, and I'm placing that on the high points of my cheeks, but also running it through the eye socket. So there you have your soft smoky